Today, we're excited to bring you something big from Ford that's going to electrify your drive. It's called the Ford Power Promise, and if you're thinking about going electric, this is something you won't want to miss. Now through September 30th, if you buy or lease a new F-150 Lightning, Ford Mustang Mach-E, or a Ford E-Transit cargo van, Ford will give you a complimentary home charger and free installation by certified professionals. No extra stress, no guesswork, just a smooth, simple setup so your EV is ready to charge from day one. Or you can take $500 in bonus cash. Either way, the Ford Power Promise is about giving you peace of mind and real value. Plus, you'll have access to America's largest public charging network and the confidence of Ford's 8-year battery warranty. We're here with you on the road and at home. This offer ends September 30th, so stop by any Mark Williams Auto Group location or visit us online to learn more.